Welcome to this short video on aging our videos using filters in VideoStudio X5. We will be looking at giving our videos a black and white or sepia effect, and giving the effect of video shot on an old-fashioned handheld video camera. First of all, pick the video or project that you want to age. Put the video that you want to add the effect to onto the timeline, and then click on Effects to view the effects filters. On the drop-down list at the top, make sure that it is set to All to view all the filters. The first filter that we will be looking at is called Monochrome. Drag and drop this filter onto the video on your timeline. In the preview window, you can see that your video has been converted to black and white. You can vary the color to give you a sepia effect. To do this, click on the Options tab, and then on the drop-down list next to Customize Filter. If you like the sepia color shown on this list, click on it to select it, and you will see the color of your video change to sepia. If you would like to change the color again, click on Customize Filter. Now double-click on the square of color next to Monochrome color and change the color. Click on OK to see the effect on your video. When you are happy with the color, click on OK and it will be applied to the preview. To add the color to the video on your timeline, click on OK again and it will be applied there as well. You can go back and change the color as many times as you want to. We will now look at a more complex filter called Old Film. First of all, remove the effects of this filter by going to Edit and Undo. Now go back to the Effects menu and drag and drop the filter Old Film onto the video on your timeline. In the preview window, you can see that your video has been converted to black and white and that it appears grainy with lines on the video. Play the video back to see the full effect. To vary the effect, click on the Options tab and then on the drop-down list next to Customize Filter. You can choose any of the options shown on this list, or you can click on Customize Filter to customize the filter further. You can change the amount of dust and scratching on the film using the slider bar's Dust and Scratch, as well as the jumpiness of the film using the Shock slider. Light variance controls how much the lighting changes, and if you want to add a sepia effect, you can do this by double-clicking on Shift Color and adding a light orange color. Once you are happy with the effect, click on OK and the effect will be added to your video. If you are happy with the resulting project, congratulations! You have now created a project using filters to age your video with VideoStudio X5. Thank you for watching.